Happy American Thanksgiving to everyone out there. What you're seeing here is not normal workbench material, but since it's Thanksgiving, one of the things that I normally do, there we go, is to make homemade ice cream. And what you have here is our little 1/2 quart ice cream maker, ice cream freezer, ready to go. And here, after I mix it up, is the ice cream mix. It is a kind of Philadelphia style. Now instead of standard white cane sugar, I use Demerara sugar. I use very good vanilla from Penzeys, and cooked and strained and made ready. So the rule about anything with a ice cream freezer is the freezer must be on and rotating before you start pouring in the mixture. And now we wait. The reason you start pouring in, you run the machine before you start pouring is because if you don't, it'll hit the bottom immediately and start freezing, and then the dash will get stuck. So now we run it for about 25 minutes to half an hour, and then we'll have homemade vanilla ice cream. Here we are 15 minutes in, about halfway through. Had to scrape the mold out, and gonna continue. All right, here we are. It has spun for about 40 minutes, and it's taken in about all the air it's going to. So I'm going to turn the machine off, and then what needs to happen is you take the top off, get your container ready, and start scooping into your container because it needs to go into the freezer for a bit. So it's very much soft serve at this moment and will not last long in a bowl at room temperature. So I'm going to finish scraping this out and then throw it in the freezer. And that is our homemade vanilla ice cream for Thanksgiving dinner.